Okay, so hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back to another video. It's just a quick update of what's been happening so far in the markets, and yeah. So firstly, I will start with a quick run through of the seasonal charts because these are the latest updated ones up until 2023. If we can see, up until these were up until 2022. Yeah, then these are up until 2023. So it will just be quickly. Remember, AUD, Australian dollar anyway, up beginning of the month. Then we have to see a fall. Yeah. No, we have to. It might or might not happen. Probability. So just keep this in mind. Or let me just do this. What are the notes? Notes. No. Okay, yeah, it's still here. AUD bearish. This is what we had last time. Euro shows bearish, but we'll come back to this because I don't think Euro might be bearish during the month, but I don't think it's going to be bearish because I don't think they're cutting interest rates soon. Yen up and down. Yeah, yen bullish. Swiss supposed to be up. Swiss franc. Canadian dollar down. Yeah, so yeah, this is what we have. Pound up. Okay. Dollar. So I'm just waiting. I don't think I'll trade it in the month of January. And Mexican peso, no. This one, it's okay. So yeah, we can see that we still have these notes here. Like I mentioned last time, let me make this full screen. Like I mentioned last time, so I expect opening of the month. This is January open. It's been above the monthly open for some time. Hasn't given us a scenario to either buy or yeah. Anyway, then we have the weekly gap on top. If you can see, even on the daily, this gap has been balanced here. This gap has been balanced. This bullish candle through here, and this bearish candle has filled in this gap here. It's another, yeah. So like I said, if the way I want to be bearish, I want it to open, go above, then come back, create a swing low. Then once it breaks a swing low, I'll confirm changing thingy, changing direction or trend, and I would expect it to be bearish. So for now, we can see it's created this swing low here. So if I want to be bearish, expect it to break here, then come back, create some sort of fair value gap or something, then we sell down. But for now, it's bullish. It's clearly bullish. It only broke this swing low, broke a swing low, failed to create a lower swing low, went back, so it still was creating. So this is a higher swing low, higher swing low, and if it creates another higher swing low, then probably target will be to completely fill this in and take out these swing highs to the left. So but for now, just observing. So for what did I say? So what did you want? CAD JPY, AUD JPY, AUD CHF, GBP CAD JPY. That's one I'm looking at. AUD JPY. No, actually, wow. AUD JPY. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Did I analyze this last time? have it on my thing. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. CAD CHF. Let's see this. Nah. Too many weeks. Too many weeks. Too many weeks. Too many weeks. But this can make a really, really good trade. This can make a really, really good trade, but you would lose out on if you're holding this trade because Switzerland has lower interest rates. Canada has higher interest rates. So when you're selling this, you'll be getting charged for holding the trade instead of making money out of it. But yeah, unless you're pretty sure, probably just fill in this fair value gap, continue selling down. You see, I think it ranges for like a week or two. Yeah, but anyway, I wanted CAD, Japanese yen, Canadian dollar. Watch list. I should have it here, but I don't think I analyzed it. Oh, I actually did. Still bullish. So if you can see, they're printing out the same thing. And yeah, still pretty much very bullish. Higher swing low, still very bullish. You can still trade and buy it and aim to take out the swing high, but I feel like yeah, it's CAD JPY. What else did we have? Oh my god, this mouse. CAD JPY, AUD CHF, GBP CAD, AUD CHF. I think. Oh, I looked at this one already. I think. Did I? I did not. AUD CHF. So we want to sell this. The only badness about holding pairs that are in correlation with the Swiss franc is that it has lower interest rates. If you're swing trading this, you're losing out on money every day. Wait, let's see. I think I've been in a trade this couple of days. It's AUD CHF. Oh yeah, I've been. How many days now? When did I open this? 3rd of January. I sold it on the 3rd. 3rd of January. Yeah, I sold it here. Sold it somewhere here. So, why did I want to put a line? Let me just do this. I sold it somewhere here. Yeah. My stop just somewhere here. My target overall is down here. Will it go down there? I don't know. You never know. Sorry, I'm just a little bit exhausted today, so I'm all over the place. But yeah, I saw this here. January. What did January open? December 2nd, January. Yeah, so the open was here. I saw it above the monthly open. Yeah, which is fair. Anyway, it's fair above the open. So let me do this line above the open. But I don't like how slow this trade is going. I've closed out partial of it. Yeah. So anyway, that's just a quick update of how everything is going. And I think the last one was pound Canadian dollar, if I'm not mistaken. GBP CAD. This one was supposed to be buying. Wow. Just wow. This was the best trade. This would have been the best trade. Just look at how it. Imagine don't monthly open here. You buy below. If you are in this trade from here, you stop just right below here. You're targeting swing highs, and I think all the ones you here, this fair value gap here. This would have been a good trade, but it's a missed trade anyway. So what you can see how this pair is moving. So every day you can look to buy below London Open. This is Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Okay, so the main sessions to trade this would be London and New York, or even Asian. So what you would do, or what you'd be doing, is just buying below opens. Buying below opens. Buy below the midnight candle, below whatever. Yeah, that would be the best case scenario. But anyway, that was just a quick run through. I hope it was quick. It was a quick run through. Oh, actually, a brief insight into fundamentals. I was reading on Bloomberg, Euro might not start cutting interest rates soon because the unemployment rate is still pretty low. And what do they mean by unemployment rate? There are less people that are not employed, and that means there's more money in the economy. And if there's more money in the economy, people have money to spend. And what happens if people have money to spend? There's demand for stuff, and if there's demand for stuff, people can afford it. What easily happens? Prices go up. Simple economics. Quick run through. Yeah, so they might not cut interest rates soon. America, the interest data, I think this is the thing that came out last week Thursday, still showed that there's still a bit of inflation, but investors are still optimistic that the Fed might begin cutting interest rates in March. Which I personally don't agree to. Well, I might agree or not agree, but I'm just waiting to see what data we have within these 2 months that will maybe give us a clear insight. So I keep on tracking the data every day. I barely look at charts. I'm more inclined to data. So you can check here. You can go on Bloomberg. You read articles. This tell you the whole story. Markets. Let me just say currencies. Yeah, currencies. You can see here, but I like reading articles. So yeah, so I mentioned about euro, dollar, Swiss francs. They're also indicating that they might start cutting interest. I don't know why, because I read something. I don't understand why. I'm yet to do more research on that. Yet to read more on that. And Canadian dollar, I think they'll be there. It's being speculated that they'll be one of the first to begin cutting interest rates, which they may not, because the central bank was like, inflation is still a bit high. Oh no, we might not begin cutting. Just try to see all this news data. It's really nice to read. Okay, price area 6 month over. Oh, and Bitcoin. I think my target for the year will be 65K. My personal target. I save in Bitcoin. Anyway, so that's then for British pound. They might begin cutting interest rates mid-year. That's like June. Mid-year. So for now, I think still bullish pound. Australian dollar. I wrote some of these things down somewhere. Australian dollar, they might not begin cutting anytime soon. That's what they're saying. Because I read all this data of Bloomberg Economics. So so you can read articles like this on Bloomberg. Investors are betting on sharp cuts in interest rates in 2024. Bank of England officials warn they have a way to go on inflation. Yeah, so this is like a long article. Inflationary pressures in the UK are set to ease again this week, though not as quickly as investors are hoping as they bet on a swift round of interest rate cuts. Official data on Wednesday is likely to show the consumer prices index. You see, so they're monitoring CPI. Just many people want to trade, like, no, trading data or trading news, blah blah blah. CPI came in hot, buy, sell. It's good. It's good. I also trade like that sometimes, but I don't have time. Ease to through blah blah blah. You can read the whole article, the figures. If it tells you everything, economists expect the core measure of inflation, stripping out volatile food, to drop below 5 for the first time in 2 years. Which, just from these words, dropping for the first time in 2 years, which would strengthen the case for lower rates. Yeah. Everything, you're given all the data here. Central bankers around the globe, blah blah blah, the likely for it gives you all the details. You just read fundamentally, then you understand. You see where how you want to plan your trades. But anyway, that's that from me. Or maybe we can just, let's see, maybe let me just have a quick look at dollar. Even though let me start tracking dollar, even though I haven't been tracking it for some time. DXY, where's dollar? Let me just do a quick run through for dollar. I think I've been talking for almost 30 minutes. Network. Dollar is still bearish. Or am I on dollar? This is actual dollar. Still bearish. Have we broken a swing high yet? What's his high? 102.634. 643. No swing high yet. So the swing high I think we have is this one. 104.262. 262. 263. Damn. Okay, this is the swing high. This is the swing high we have. As long as we stay below this swing high, 263. As long as we're below this swing high, we're bearish dollar, we're bearish, fully bearish dollar. So what would that be anticipating with dollar? To fill in this fair value gap here. Yeah, there's also a gap here. Only wicks have gone through the gap. So come in here. Then yeah, we have this order block here. For this order block, because the other one is small, I'll consider this as one order block. Sorry. Yeah, all these two candles as one order block. Yeah, so we're still bearish dollar. As long as it stays below here, what would I want? Comes into the fair value gap, we sell. Then I think the best one to to match it up with his GBP USD. As we can see, it's been bullish also. Yeah. So that's a start for me. Quick run through of where we're standing currently. I know the video is all over the place, but yeah. So main pairs to look out for. I think let's put dollar into our look. Let's be looking at dollar for now. So when the Fed begins to cut interest rates, let's work with how market is lining up things. So for January, let me be looking at let's see my my seasonal charts. Dollar, are we bullish or bearish? Bullish, bearish. Okay, so mainly I think from the next 2 weeks I'll be making 2-minute videos every day. Yes, 2 minutes videos every day. We're going to be tracking. I think our main pair is going to be pound and Australian dollar. Pound and Australian dollar every day. I'll be buying below the midnight open, below London open, below Asian open, below New York open. Simple. I won't be complicating things. I buy 15 pip stop, 15 pip target, just going in like that, 1-to-1, 1-to-1. I understand people say 1-to-1, 2-to-1, anything. I'll trade that for the next 2 weeks. I'll keep in mind dollar and pound, GBP USD. So these will be my two main pairs I'll be tracking for the month, for the remaining half of the month, because I now have clarity. But I'll be keeping track of fundamentals and see what swing trades we're going to be in. And if it's for AUD CHF, I'll be tracking that also, because I'm already in one trade with that. I've been holding from the 3rd of January. It's now the 14th. It's, yeah, that's losing out money on swabs anyway. But yeah, that's that from me. Hope you have a successful trading week. Yeah.